Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So this is the Google Pixel 3, this is the OnePlus 6T. This is another camera comparison with the pictures, the portrait modes and the video on each of these phones. So I'm going to be looking at the exact same resolutions, the stabilization and HDRs being on, trying to match the exact same settings and taking pictures using the front and back cameras, as well as a bit of an audio test from the video as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, this is an audio test to check the quality on the sound using the front-facing camera recording a video. Alright guys, this is an audio test to check the quality on the sound using the front-facing camera recording a video. Alright, so that was it guys. So from the picture quality, I think from my point of view it was very close. I think the OnePlus 6T has a very good dynamic range. The colors are a little bit more vibrant, but there's so many cases where I couldn't tell which one is better. I think in some scenarios the Pixel 3 does take better pictures than the OnePlus 6T, and in other cases the 6T is better than the Pixel 3. It's very close. If I was to go with either of these phones just for the back camera on auto, I think it would be pretty much almost exactly the same. In terms of the portrait modes, I think there's no competition. The Google Pixel 3 is the king of portrait modes, both the front and back cameras, so I couldn't even compare that at all. So the Pixel 3 wins on that one. In terms of the video, the stabilization again is much better on the Pixel 3, but the colors come out a lot better on the OnePlus 6T, and the audio, for some reason Google have not put a lot of effort into improving their audio. So the 6T, as you've seen, is got better sound coming from the videos as well, and that was just from the front camera. So for me, the audio is a little bit better on the 6T. The video is, in terms of the colors, a little bit more vibrant, a little bit easier on the eye on the 6T, because I've noticed on the Pixel 3 the video seemed to be a little bit washed out. But overall, if I was going to keep a phone, I would probably still go with the Pixel 3, only because the portrait modes are basically just like SLR cameras and you just can't beat them. The OnePlus 6T has done a very good job. They're very close in terms of this market here. The price range is $499 for the OnePlus 6T and $799, so there is a bit of a difference, and for the price they've done a very good job with that camera. But I want to see what you guys think, so drop a comment below on the different opinions that you have on the cameras, the videos, the audios on these phones. And my next video coming up is going to be the night mode comparisons. So Pixel 3 comes with night sight mode and the 6T has night mode. So I'm going to see which one takes better pictures in very low lighting, almost dark scenarios, just to see which one can capture a lot of the background in those pictures as well. So that's coming up very soon. I have those features enabled on both these phones right now. I will be taking them, so make sure you subscribe and you won't miss that. If you have any questions, if there's anything else you'd like to know about these phones, then do drop a comment below. Otherwise, I hope you subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Take care.